two very important races here in West Michigan. News 8 political reporter Rick Albin is here with those numbers being released right now.
Our pollsters at Epic MRA have once again been asking your friends and neighbors what they think when it comes to this election. 600 likely Michigan voters were asked who they would choose for president if the election were held today. And with early voting, in many cases, it is. Who would you vote for was the question. 48% said they would vote for Joe Biden. 39% said Donald Trump. That's a difference of 9 points, identical to polling earlier this month. In the U.S. Senate race, incumbent Democrat Gary Peters is leading Republican John James 45-39, 6 points, and again, identical to the earlier poll. This survey was conducted October 15th through 19th and included 50% cell phone interviews. The margin of error is plus or minus 4%. Now, a poll, as we've often talked about, is a snapshot of a moment in time. And as I have said, perhaps more important this year because it gives you a real-time look at what people are thinking as early voting has already begun. For Daybreak, I'm Rick Albin.